Here is a more detailed exam-ready elaboration of doxorubicin with deeper explanations, clinical insights, and practical points. Doxorubicin detailed notes. Enema 1. Basic details expanded. Class: anthracycline antibiotic, antineoplastic, derived from Streptomyces pusidius. Available as conventional doxorubicin hydrochloride, liposomal forms, e.g. Doxil, reduced toxicity. Key feature: one of the most effective but also most cardiotoxic chemotherapy drugs. 2. Definition expanded. Doxorubicin is a broad-spectrum cytotoxic agent that interferes with DNA structure and function, making it effective against both solid tumors and hematologic cancers. 3. Mechanism of action deep explanation. Doxorubicin acts via multiple mechanisms. A. DNA intercalation. Inserts itself between DNA base pairs. Prevents DNA and RNA synthesis. B. Topoisomerase II inhibition. Blocks enzyme responsible for DNA repair. Causes DNA strand breaks. Has C. Free radical formation, generates reactive oxygen species ROS, leads to lipid peroxidation, mitochondrial damage. Why cardiotoxic? Heart cells have low antioxidant enzymes more susceptible to ROS damage. 4. Pharmacokinetics, detailed. Administration IV only, vesicant drug. Distribution, widely distributed in tissues. High affinity for liver, kidney, heart. Poor CNS penetration. Metabolism, hepatic via CYP50 enzymes, converted to active metabolite doxorubicinol. Elimination, mainly via bile, minor renal excretion. Half-life triphasic, initial rapid distribution, terminal 20 to 48 hours. Clinical importance, dose must be reduced in liver impairment. Number 5, uses, expanded clinical list. Solid tumors, breast cancer, ovarian cancer, lung cancer, bladder cancer, thyroid cancer. Hematological malignancies, acute leukemias, Hodgkin lymphoma, non-Hodgkin lymphoma. Others, Kaposi sarcoma, liposomal form, soft tissue and bone sarcomas. Number 6, indications, clinical context. First-line or combination therapy, e.g. CHOP regimen, adjuvant and neoadjuvant therapy, palliative chemotherapy. 7, contraindications, detailed, absolute, severe myelosuppression, severe hepatic dysfunction, severe heart failure, relative, previous anthracycline exposure, elderly patients, air chest radiation. NASHTR 8, precautions, clinical monitoring, cardiac monitoring, baseline and periodic, LVEF, hematological, CBC before each cycle, hepatic, liver function tests, special risks, extravasation, tissue necrosis, tumor lysis syndrome. 9, how to use, clinical practice, given via IV bolus or infusion, central line preferred. Important nursing point, always check IV patency. Stop immediately if pain, swelling, extravas dosing information based on body surface area BSA. Typical regimens, 60 to 75 milligrams for every 21 days. Weekly low-dose regimens also used. Cumulative dose limit, max 450 to 550 milligrams per man's grass. Beyond this, high risk of irreversible cardiomyopathy. Number 11, missed dose, overdose, clinical. Missed dose, managed by oncologist. Overdose effects, severe pancytopenia, mucositis, heart failure. No specific antidote, supportive care. Number 12, stop or avoid taking, when to hold drug. Drop in LVEF, severe neutropenia, active infection, severe mucositis. 13 side effects, very detailed. A, hematologic, neutropenia, dose limiting, thrombocytopenia. B, gastrointestinal, nausea and vomiting, stomatitis. C, dermatologic, alopecia, almost universal, skin hyperpigmentation. D, cardiac, most important, acute, arrhythmias, chronic, dilated cardiomyopathy, congestive heart failure. E, others, red urine, 1 to 2 days, infertility. Now 14, vital information exam focus. Key points to remember, cardiotoxic drug, monitor cumulative dose. Vesicant causes tissue necrosis, causes red urine, benign. Bone marrow suppression, infection risk. Number 15, drug interactions expanded. Increased cardiotoxicity, trastuzumab, cyclophosphamide. Increased toxicity, verapamil, paclitaxel. Avoid live vaccines. Number 16, drug comparison deeper. Drug advantage, disadvantage. Doxorubicin, very effective, high cardiotoxicity. Epirubicin, less cardiotoxic, slightly less potent. Doxorubicin, leukemia-specific, limited use. Mitoxantrone, lower ROS, still cardiotoxic. Liposomal doxorubicin, less cardiac damage. 17, patient teaching for doxorubicin. 1. Understanding the treatment. This medicine is a chemotherapy drug used to treat cancer. It works by destroying cancer cells, but may also affect normal cells. 2. What to expect during treatment. Treatment is given through IV in a hospital clinic. Sessions may be repeated in cycles, e.g. every 3 weeks. You will need regular blood tests and heart checkups. Number 3. Important symptoms to report immediately. Tell your doctor or nurse if you notice fever, chills, infection signs, shortness of breath, swelling of legs or feet, chest pain or fast heartbeat, severe mouth sores, unusual bleeding or bruising. 4. Common side effects, reassurance advice. A. Hair loss, alopecia. Almost always occurs. Hair usually grows back after treatment. B. Nausea and vomiting. Take prescribed anti-nausea medicines. Eat small, frequent meals. C. Red urine. Urine may turn reddish for 1 to 2 days after dose. This is normal and harmless. Number 5. Infection prevention. Because immunity is low, avoid crowded places, wash hands frequently, avoid contact with sick people, report fever immediately. Number 6. Oral care, very important. Use a soft toothbrush, rinse mouth regularly, salt water or prescribed solution, avoid spicy or hot foods if mouth sores occur. Number 7. Diet advice. Eat nutritious, high-protein foods, drink plenty of fluids, avoid raw or undercooked food, infection risk. 8. Heart safety, very important. This drug may affect the heart. Attend all heart checkups, echo, report breathlessness, fatigue, swelling. Number 9. Skin and injection site care. Report pain, redness, or swelling at injection site. Drug leakage can damage tissue. Number 10. Pregnancy and fertility. Avoid pregnancy during treatment. Use effective contraception. May affect fertility. Discuss with doctor. Number 11. Vaccination advice. Avoid live vaccines. Consult doctor before any vaccination. 12. Lifestyle tips. Get adequate rest. Avoid alcohol, liver stress, stop smoking. Number 13. Follow-up care. Regular blood tests, liver function tests, heart monitoring. Number 14. Psychological support. Hair loss and fatigue may affect emotions. Encourage, family support, counseling if needed. Key teaching summary exam point. Monitor heart, blood counts, and infection signs. Expect hair loss and red urine. Maintain hygiene and nutrition. Report symptoms early. Thank you. Have a nice day.